Thank you for watching videos by Jeff Sibelius and LandandAirPhotos.com. If you watch my channel, you know that my Typhoon H Plus has been in for warranty repairs at KAV Service for several months. Well, it's been a crazy, exciting, scary, stressful week for anyone who has a drone at KAV Service right now. So, put on your seatbelt, break out the popcorn, and I'll fill you in on all the latest. Over the past several months, I've posted 2 videos regarding the process for the warranty repair of my Typhoon H Plus drone. My last episode ended with me sending the Plus back to KAV in July. The repairs they had done had not fixed the problem I was experiencing with obstacle avoidance. You will find links to those videos in the upper right corner now. To bring you up to date, my Plus is still at KAV. KAV told me that they had tried to repair the drone, but that had failed, and they were waiting for a replacement drone from Yuneec. Last week I heard from a subscriber who told me KAV had stopped answering their phones and stopped returning their emails. I tried calling KAV and writing directly to one of the employees I'd been in communications with. I got no answer and no response. I tried calling the direct line to KAV, which is the parent company of KAV, several times, choosing different departments to see if I could talk to somebody. Those calls either went to voicemail or the phone just rang and rang, no answer. This is scary stuff. I set up a support call through Yuneec's customer service and received the call at the appointed time. The customer service rep from Yuneec had very little information he could give me about KAV or the status of my drone. Things looked very, very bleak at this point. I'm thinking about my $2,000 Typhoon H Plus sitting in a warehouse like the Ark of the Covenant in Indiana Jones, never to be seen again. I'm also thinking about dozens, maybe hundreds of other people who are just as worried as I am about their drones, and I'm really feeling bad for them too. I communicated what was going on in my Facebook group, Jeff Sibelius Texas Drones, and on Yuneec Pilot's discussion forum. These posts generated a lot of conversations, and several people from those 2 online forums started putting out their own feelers to find out what was going on. That included 2 of the moderators for UneecPilots.com, the owner of Yuneec Skins and Yuneec Drone Classifieds Facebook groups, a Yuneec engineer in China, and several drone pilots who just wanted to help. One member of UneecPilots.com who lives in Kansas City was willing to go over to KAV and see what was going on. The subscriber who contacted me initially has done a ton of digging into this as well, passing along everything he was able to come up with. It was really pretty cool to see people rally together like that. Not surprisingly, the conversations that came from all this centered on the questions: is Yuneec going out of business? Is KAV going out of business? What will happen with everyone's drones that are at KAV now? Early this evening, I got a call from the head of customer support from Yuneec, and now I can give you at least a little insight into what is taking place. By the way, the Yuneec customer service supervisor will be watching this video, and I want to say to him that if I say anything that is inaccurate or incomplete, he should call and let me know so I can publish a correction right away. I'm all about accurate information and keeping everyone informed. Yuneec and KAV are going through negotiations right now, and as Yuneec's customer service supervisor put it, the nature of their relationship will be changing. He could not elaborate on that because obviously these conversations are still taking place. He told me that Yuneec had tracked down a new Typhoon H Plus that was still in their network. I'm assuming that means it was a drone that was still at a dealer, and Yuneec is buying that drone back and will be shipping it to me to replace my Plus. That's obviously a huge relief for me, but I was also concerned about the other people who have drones at KAV, so what was happening with them? He expected that these discussions will be complete fairly soon. At that time, he anticipates that all of us who have drones at KAV will be contacted with more information. I asked point blank, is Yuneec or KAV going out of business? The answer is no. Neither company is going out of business. Yuneec continues to release new products. KAV is apparently expanding their offerings according to their website and will be servicing DJI drones as well as Yuneec drones in the future. Yuneec will contact me again when my replacement drone is shipped out. I asked him if he would also let me know when the conversations with KAV were complete and he could talk about them, so I could inform you as quickly as possible, and he said he would. I also asked him why KAV had stopped answering phones and responding to emails. He didn't have an answer to that. KAV is a contractor and not part of Yuneec, so he couldn't explain why they were doing what they were doing. My impression of our conversation was that he was being very sincere and as open as he could be at this time. The negotiations are above his pay grade, to use his words, and obviously Yuneec can't discuss the details until they're complete. But I felt I got as much information as I could reasonably expect, and that what I was told was honest. So that's where things stand. I'm excited that I will be getting that replacement drone, obviously. I'm also excited that we have more information about what's going on, and that we still have reasonable expectations that our drones will be ultimately repaired and returned. I plan to contact KAV to see if I can arrange a conversation with them after the negotiations are finished. I'd really like to get their perspective on what has taken place and what they will be doing in the future. I want to say a big thank you to everyone who tried to help find out what the heck was going on. I've tried to use this channel to help other drone pilots with honest tutorials, reviews, and product announcements. It was awesome to see people literally from around the world trying to help me and everyone else in this situation, and I think their efforts actually made a difference in me getting the information that I've been able to share with you now. Things are still up in the air, so there will be more information forthcoming. Please stay tuned. You will get the latest updates from me as soon as I get them. Thank you for watching this video. I set up a Facebook group to make it easier for us to talk and arrange opportunities to fly together. Follow the link in the description below to sign up for the group. On screen you'll find links to more videos on how to fly drones, so please check them out. Before you go, be sure to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to this channel so you know when more videos are released. Thanks for watching.